Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Google business profile with the PLR review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this PLR offer called Google business profile with PLR. So this is that review, and right now we are not on the sales page. Right now you are watching this graph. This is a currency graph, and this is under forex trading. So I make money using this virtual machine and using a software with the method called forex trading. So in case if you are interested in making money online, if that's your end goal, then make sure you watch the video till the end and I will explain how this system works. Okay, now we are on the sales page of Google business profile with PLR. It says here, attention, if you are looking for a high converting PLR product, look no further. This is the one you need. Just grab this high grade, top notch and at most worthwhile product, Google business profile with PLR, to completely dominate this $14 billion industry and make profits like never before. Rebrand it, resell it, and keep 100% of the profits. Now, this is only for one category of people, I guess, if you are into selling PLR industry. Okay, so if you have a business where you have people who buy PLRs from you every now and then, you have maybe an email list, you have some subscribers into your email list and you have been selling them some informational products in the past, then you can grab this as a new offer in which you can teach people how to leverage the Google business listing on Google search. Okay, so in case if you have a local business, then you can list that business on Google, your address, your area. So if somebody types in, let's say, plumbers in New York, if your business is listed in Google My Business, then this Google search will show your company name and your phone number and your website. That's how people can find you. Okay, so this is only for such people who can buy this Google business profile PLR offer, and then you have to go and host this on your domain. I guess you have to go and host those sales pages and thank you pages and everything, content delivery as well, product delivery. Okay, so you got to be tech savvy as well. So don't think that you're a newbie and you will get something out of this. No, as a newbie you will not get anything out of this. This is an offer for people who are established sellers. Okay, just in case you're looking for something new, what to sell to your existing traffic, to your existing audience, go and check this out, Google business profile. You might find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. So if you go below my YouTube video, click on the link which says grab Google business profile with PLR, copy here, click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page, and then check out everything on the sales page by yourself, and then you can buy if you want to buy this. Okay, again, selling will be required. By buying this, if you buy this PLR, means nothing. You have to go and sell this PLR, rebrand it and sell it as your own training program, and if somebody else will buy, then you will make some money with it. Okay, there are 10 modules, I guess, maybe more, 10 so far. Then you have some bonuses, and let's see some frequently asked questions if we have them or not. Okay, so where are the questions? It's right here. So what is the concept behind GBP? GBP, a Great British Pound? No, Google business profile. So Google business profile is a free service that enables local business to create a profile on Google. The profile includes information such as contact info, hours, photos. You might have seen the business information many times. I have my own business in my own country which comes on Google. Okay, do we have to pay a monthly fee? No. Do we have to share the leads? No. What if I need more than the product after purchase? If you are not satisfied, you have 30-day money back. I don't know what they're trying to say here, but you have 30-day different policy. Okay, can I get private label rights to my customer? No, you cannot pass away the PLR rights to your customers, because for that you need master resale rights, which you're not getting with this. You are getting PLR rights to yourself only, which means that you can change the name and you can rebrand it and you can sell this to your customers, but your customers are not allowed to sell to a third person. Am I clear? Do you provide any bonuses? Yeah, bonuses here. So disclaimer and everything, right? So the product will cost you, I guess, let me check the pricing. There will be some funnel upsells as well. So I guess it will be $10 to start with, maybe $8. Okay, yeah. It's $8 to start with, and then you have some upsell pack. Let me see if I have more information about upsells or not. Let's see if they are showing on the JV page here somewhere. Okay, there are they. So front end, and then you have upsell 1. In upsell 1, you can see here you have module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12. Okay, pricing not clear here. Okay, yeah, they did not mention the price. Then what do we have? So not much information about the description of the upsells, but here is the funnel. So it shows $10 here, but technically you will be getting this in only $8. Okay, and then you have upsell 1, which is for 37. Then you have upsell 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. God, you have to go and understand all this. Okay, I am not interested in any of these upsells. But yes, when you buy the front end, then you will be taken through the sales pages of all these relevant upsells and downsells. You can decide which ones you need or which ones you can skip. Okay, there are some monthly as well. For example, this one is $27 per month, and for the first month, what happened just now? All right, so for the first month it will be $1, and then it will be $27 per month, and $297 product installation service. In case you want to launch your products, they will help you. They'll charge you. Okay, so decide whatever you need to grab from here. Otherwise, you can skip whatever you don't need. Again, let me remind you, this is not for people who are newbies. It's only for people who are already selling PLR products, or you have an email list, or you have people who are ready to buy from you. Okay, if you want this, go and get this. But if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, then go below my YouTube video and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. All of it is free. If you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks, but these two buttons are free. Click them. Okay, first link here says make money on autopilot with forex trading. And forex trading is like currency trading. You buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. For example, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, we will not be doing any of this manually. We will be using a software, and that software will be doing all this on our behalf, right? So what you do is click on the first link here, come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are 2 videos on the sales page. Watch those 2 videos till the end. Option 1, option 2, watch them till the end. Then only you will understand what this method is all about. Okay, after watching the video, you can contact me on Skype here if you need any help or if you want to get started. Do not contact me on email or Skype if you have not seen those 2 videos till the end. If you contact me without watching the videos, I will block you. The syndicate is going to make you 60% profits every week. Okay, I'm talking about profits. Profit means if it works, then only I make money, then only you make money. Okay, you make 60%, I make 40% if it works, and it definitely does work, right? Now, why do I make 40%? Because if you come here, you do not have to do any of this. You don't have to go through any training or anything. I will be managing your account on your behalf. I will be setting up all the system for you, this machine, the graph, the software, the settings and everything. I will be managing on your behalf. That is why I will be keeping 40% every week and you will be keeping 60% profits. Okay, means that when the system makes money, then only I get 40%. Okay, clear? So check out the system if you want to make money on autopilot without doing anything. Second link here, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. In case if you want to do these reviews and make money, by selling or without selling, then check out Traffic Jarvis, because right now this video which you're watching here, this video has made me some money whether you pay me or not, or whether you buy something from me or not, because you have seen some ads in this YouTube video and these ads make me money. YouTube pays me for these ads, and for this to happen you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel and get your YouTube channel monetized. Okay, now it can be done with traffic, it can be done with the help of Traffic Jarvis, and this will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and that is how you can make money on YouTube without even selling anything. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to replicate what I'm doing right now: sell, reviews, monetization, affiliate marketing, email marketing, everything. Okay, the major difference between the first link and the second link is that in this first method you do not have to do anything. and you still make 60% profits. In Traffic Jarvis, you have to do everything because you have to work on YouTube manually, a lot of work, okay? In the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing, option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis, okay? And then we have the third link, which says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale, okay? So if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month, okay? So this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost, okay? So this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out if you want to make money without selling anything. for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.